Alright, so doing one more event. The car was supposed to go in today, but instead I am doing the track sprint. So pretty busy day. I'm gonna do the track sprint, then go get a trailer, take the splitter off on the car, load it on the trailer, and hopefully take it to the shop tomorrow to get the engine rebuild started. So yeah, pretty excited. Glad I'm getting to do the track sprint. So we'll see how I do. It's gonna be nice and chilly, so good, hopefully good weather out there. So see you guys at the track.
And go.
All right, made it back home. Amazing day on track today. God damn, car did amazing. I'm super happy with it. It's wild what a little adjustment on the wing can make on the feel of the car. It just felt so planted through the sweeper. It felt so planted everywhere. Like, it felt great. It's probably the best I've ran with it in a while. So pretty excited. Got a busy day right now, so gotta take the front splitter apart and change back to my street pads and my Continentals and get it ready to get it loaded on the trailer and finally take it to get its engine work done tomorrow morning. So yeah, super excited. Hopefully I get it back in time for the last autocross, but if I don't, no, not an issue. I'll be ready to start next season strong, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.